morning. Spend the day with me living in Houston. And I want to keep it very raw and realistic. I literally just woke up. I can't believe I'm showing myself like this. But we have an exciting day today. Are you ready for your vet appointment today, Bali? I'm about to make breakfast. I'm in a little bit of a time crunch, so it's gonna be a quick avocado toast, my go-to. Most nerve-wracking to cut an avocado and like finally see if it's a pretty one or not. This one is perfect. Avocado toast with some cucumber, dragon fruit, half an egg because we only have one egg left. I'm so excited for this. Papaya with kefir and some granola. Cheers. I'm literally addicted to this papaya. It came out so good. Quick OOTD. This is today's fit. Marc Jacobs tote bag that I'm obsessed with right now is the perfect time to wear her for the season. And yeah, really into browns. We are headed to Bali. We're headed to Bali's vet appointment. Bali, say hi to the camera. Say hi right here, mi amor. We are on our way to her vet appointment, and she gets a little nervous in the car, so she just likes to stick out her head out the window. But it's a beautiful day. Houston is finally feeling cooler. Thank God. Thank God. The weather is crisp today. All right, we just made it. This is her vet place here, and Bali is not excited. It's okay, mi amor. Let's get you in the bag. Hopefully she wants to go inside her bag. We're here.
Hi, welcome in. I hope you don't
Hi,
mind.
yes.
So the fact that you got that, congratulations.
Hi, this is Bali. Bali, stay. All right, we're here in the room. How cute it is with the little doggy prints. Oh, this is adorable. Bali's doing so good. She's getting used to her carrier. Big girl. You're okay. She wants to get off. Back in Mama's arms. I know, I know. We have a big trip coming up and she has to get everything settled. I wish us luck. Here I have the list of questions that I'm going to be asking the vet, which I recommend you do because when we come, I feel like I always blank out. I recommend you come in with a list of things that you want to talk to them about because I feel like I always forget. My list looks very concerning, but I promise she's in good shape. She's in good health. We have encountered little minor problems or symptoms here and there that I do want to discuss to the vet about. But yeah, just a little advice on you come take your little fur baby. Be prepared to ask questions and Make your appointment worth it. Right, Bali? She's calming down. She was a little shaky earlier. But she's being a good girl. Alright, we're getting ready to go get some coffee. Bali did so good in her appointment. She's gonna get a big treat today. Yes, she is. Alright, let's keep it rolling. I want La La Land. I'm really addicted to that. They're all about the same distance. But let's go. Alright, we decided not to go to La La Land because it's a little bit further. We have a really good coffee place here that was closer to the vet. It's called Giant Leap Coffee. My boyfriend comes here all the time and he loves it, so I'm gonna try it out for the first time. I'm feeling a little hungry first though, so I'm gonna stop by Mendocino Farms and get a sandwich. I'm feeling a sandwich. I probably won't finish it all. I'll take half of it to my boyfriend because he's working from home today. So yeah, let's go. Front row parking. Look at that. All right, we are here. Let's go. You can go potty over here. You want the Peruvian steak? All right, let's get the Peruvian steak. Hi, yes, thank you. All right, we got the Peruvian steak. Looks so good. And it's such a beautiful day. Finally, some fall weather. Sit. Good girl. Alright, I finished half and I'm saving the other half for Frank. Tasty. She is loving this weather. It's nice and shaded too. Houston, it's such a beautiful day. Let's get some coffee. Frank loves this place. I've actually never gotten coffee here. Thank you, you too. Wow, it's amazing.
'Cause I just can't stay here.
It's so good. I'm so happy. I'm a happy girl. It's such a good day today. Houston, thank you for this weather. Let's go home.
'Cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to me. No way.
We made it back home. It was a very eventful time. We had the cutest little date today. On our long evening walk. This looks so beautiful. A little out of breath because I ran just to get this view. Oh my god. I am such a sunset lover. Fall is here.